Hello everybody, today I'm going to introduce to you is how to enter purchase bill, which means supplier invoice into MYOB ABSS system. Go to purchase, enter purchase, take out the supplier invoice and select the supplier name and key in the supplier invoice number, for example MB, and change the date according to the supplier invoice date, bills in quantity, maybe it's 10 pieces of apple, and you can change the price according to your supplier invoice. Maybe this time it's 80 cents for the apple. And if you need to tag with any project costing a project, you can tag from here. If not, you can straight away record. Thank you.